In industrial environments, innovation often hits a familiar roadblock. Your IoT device is ready, but power isn't. Meet the PD9601 GCI, Microchip's newest industrial-grade power over Ethernet midspan. It delivers up to 90 watts of reliable power and data over a single Ethernet cable, even in the most challenging environments. The PD9601 GCI completes Microchip's full line of industrial PoE midspans, helping manufacturers simplify deployment and ensure proven compatibility with automation equipment. By bundling Microchip's IIoT midspans and injectors with your devices, you can rapidly and cost-effectively add power to existing industrial networks using just one Ethernet cable. Installation is plug-and-play and fully compliant with industrial standards for construction, vibration, noise interference, and surge protection. This proven powering option helps you differentiate your PoE-enabled IoT devices, reduce customer support issues, and create new revenue opportunities. It also enables you to deliver a complete solution for expanding markets such as smart factories and industrial automation. With Microchip's trusted power over Ethernet solutions, you can confidently power the future of industrial automation. When power is predictable, everything else gets simpler. Microchip's industrial power over Ethernet lets you design once, deploy anywhere, and scale without re-engineering. Make power a solved problem. Discover more at microchip.com. PoE.